G'day everyone, so in this quick little video I'm just going to be showing you how I made this feature wall. Now the difficult part about this job is the house is clad with rendered foam. Now the rendered foam is 100mm thick, and because of that it makes it pretty difficult to screw any timber to the foam. So what we're going to do is use some really long screws and screw this plywood that I've primed. It is external grade, but it doesn't hurt to paint it anyway, plus it saves us painting it in between the timber battens once we've installed them. So we've screwed this plywood on. I used a bit of glue as well, just as some security, and that's going to make it a lot easier to screw the timber battens to the plywood instead. So now that the plywood's in place, I'm going to pre-cut all my battens. I'll pre-drill them and I'll oil them. It's just a lot easier to do it before it's all screwed together, and then we're ready to screw it all onto the plywood. Now the last little bit of trickery is manufacturing some corner pieces. We obviously want to hide the transition between the edge of the plywood and the render on this external corner where the doorway is. So I've just screwed two pieces together to form a corner, and that's going to hide any edges and it's going to look seamless by the time we're done. So there we have it, it's all finished off just as the client wanted it. Now the timber I used was a Darwin stringy bark, and I just used a clear oil on top, and I reckon it looks pretty good. Thanks for watching guys. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe and I'll see you on the next one.